Hi there, it's Ronnie, and do you want to know how just two indicators can completely change the way you trade? Today I'll show you the strategy using two indicators, super trend and momentum, a combo that helps filter out false signals and enter only strong moves. In this video you'll see how these tools work together to give precise market entries. And at the end I'll share a trick that allows you to protect your profits and control the risk even in the most unpredictable moments. And if you want to see more breakdowns and get an entry points for real trading, join my Telegram. There I show my trades live and show exact indicator settings. The link is waiting you under this video. Come and see yourself. Drop me a message so I can add you. Alright, so I'll start with the platform setup as usually, and today I'm using chart type, candlestick, time frame 1 minute, strategy, super trend plus momentum. Now let's configure them. Super trend shows the current trend direction, ATR period 10, multiplier 2. This way the indicator won't be too sensitive and will give more reliable trend change signals. I'll keep the default style so signals are clear. Momentum shows the speed and strength of price movement. Period 12, not too noisy but not too slow. Line style, bright upward in orange, downward in red. And the benefit of this combo is super trend makes sure you don't trade against the trend, while momentum filters false signals showing whether the move has strength. Together they give more reliable entry and exit points. And so the chart is ready. I'm ready to start the session and already found an entry. I think the price will go up, so I'm opening $1,800 buy trade for 2 minutes. Let me explain why. Super trend is on the chart. It shows the trend direction and support resistance zones. Right now the line turned green and price closed above it. That means the market is in bullish zone and candles confirm the breakout. Buyers are in control. Now momentum. If it's above 100 and climbing, buyers are getting stronger. Here the curve turned upward and is making new highs. The impulse is gaining speed. Together it's simple. Super trend shows the uptrend, momentum confirms the growing strength of buyers. That is why a buy trade here makes total sense. Waiting for closure and my balance goes up by $3,456. Perfect start. I think we have all the chances to lock in really solid profits today. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I think now is the perfect time. Make sure you smash that button in order to never miss new episodes. Alright, time to continue. I found another entry and I'm opening a 1300 buy trade, forecast growth. Here is why. Price was in a sideways range for a while. Now candles broke above it and closed higher. Usually after that, super trend flips to green and acts as support, meaning the market is ready to push higher. Momentum. On the chart, the line made up a sharp move upward and is holding above 100. That shows buyers are gaining strength and upward impulse is increasing. Together, super trend is shifting into bullish mode. Momentum confirms growing buyer power. A buy trade here looks very confident. And I'm waiting for closure. I get $2,496 plus on my balance, and I'm very pleased with such results. In my Telegram, you'll find not just daily strategies, but also actual reviews, deposit management tips, and real-life communication with traders. That's exactly what most beginners lack: support and practice. Go to the link in the description, message me, and I will add you. Moving to the next trade. I see a strong entry, so I'm opening a $1,700 sell trade. I expect price to fall further. Here is the picture. Super trend turned red and is trending downward while price is closing below the line. That means it's now acting as dynamic resistance. Every upward pullback gets rejected downward. Trend is clearly bearish. Momentum dropped below 100 and keeps moving lower step by step. That shows sellers have the strength. Downward impulse is accelerating while bullish attempts get weaker. Together, super trend confirms the downtrend. Momentum shows sellers' pressure growing. That's why a sell trade here is fully logical. And I'm waiting for closure, just a little bit more, and I get $3,264. Just awesome. Alright, so to finish today, I'll open a $500 buy trade. I expect price to rise again. Here is why the setup makes sense. Super trend, the line flipped green and is now below the price. That means the trend switched to bullish and the line acts as dynamic support. As long as price holds above it, buyers are in control. Momentum. It spiked upward above 100. That shows buyer strength is increasing and momentum is on the side of growth. Such spikes usually confirm a breakout on the chart. Candles. After the reversal, we see a series of green candles. Lower shadows are minimal, sellers are weak. Conclusion, super trend shows buy, momentum confirms buyer strength, and candles secured above the level. That gives a strong continuation signal, buy trade justified. And I'm waiting for closure, and I get $960 plus. I'm very happy with today's trading. So today we tested the Super Trend Plus Momentum strategy, and once again it showed great results. Clear entries, confident trades, and steady balanced growth. The main takeaway, always wait for confirmation from both indicators. And in that case, your chance of success will grow dramatically. And remember, discipline and risk control are far more important than any signals. And if you want more strategy and breakdowns, check out the link under this video and join my Telegram. I'm pretty sure you'll find plenty of useful information in there.